So I just changed it. What you have to do is when you change it, you gotta take off the splash guards for this model 91 Sabre. You just take pliers like that and you pull on these little dots right here. See that? Just the tip part. Pull it and it just comes out. When you push it back in, it spreads the little V thing and holds it in place. Let me show you real quick how I did it. Don't squeeze them too hard, you might break them. Or it's just plastic, it's nothing special. Let's see if you can see it. Okay, you probably can't see it. Okay, right there is the cam sensor. Right there. Where am I pointing to? What I did was screwed this. It's like changing a water pump, kind of. Or from under, lift up. Little grooves it has on the side. You put monkey wrench, a socket with the ratchet, whatever. You gotta pull this back. You gotta take off the belt, and then you gotta take off this wheel right here. This is the water pump wheel. There's 4 bolts. They're 10 millimeters. You remove these bolts, and this wheel comes off, and then it's right under there, right there. And the bolt for the cam sensor is also 10 millimeters. You remove it, which looks like this right here, and the bolt goes right here. You keep the bolt that came with it, and then when you put it back, take some oil, put it on the ring, and put it back in, and that's it.